Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get initiator tokens for the newly added event called Crownfall in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client and then click on Act 1, which is over here. And this is the overworld map of the event. So to get initiator tokens, first you need to know which heroes will give you initiator tokens when you win with them. To do that, all you need to do is click on this button right here, which says initiator. Click on it, and here are the list of heroes that will give you initiator tokens when you win with them. On the right, there's a list of heroes that will give you 1 initiator token upon wins, and Clockwork will give you 2 tokens upon wins. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!